Hello friends, I am fine and I hope that you will be also fine. Today's story topic is Sultan Rahi. Please put on the nice comment, press bell icon, and first of all you subscribe my channel so that you will receive my video easily. Thank you friend. Friends, Rahi was born in Rawalpindi, British India in 1938 to a arranged family during the British Raj. His father, Subedar Major Abdul Majid, was a retired officer from the British Indian Army. He began his film career in 1959 as a guest actor in the film Rahi. His first breakthrough came with a film Washi Jat. This was the unofficial prequel to Malo Jat. Malo Jat was released on 11 February 1979, which became his most successful Pakistani film. His other work include Behram Dhaku, Sher Khan, Salah Sahib and Gulami. Friends, he had 5 children, of which one Haider Sultan is also an actor. On 9 January 1996, Rahi and his friend Ehsan, a film director, were traveling from Islamabad to Lahore. On the main highway in Pakistan, Grand Trunk Road, their vehicles got a flat tire near Emanabad, Chungi, not far from Gujranwala. While they was installing a spare tire, thieves approached to the vehicles and tried to rob them. Rahi and his friend were both shot. Rahi eventually succumbed of his wound, dying and result. Rahi worked in the Punjabi film industry for over 4 decades. He was the highest paid Pakistani actor of his time. He was named in the Guinness Book of World Record as the most prolific actor. Director Al-Falak Hussain told media about his death and added that, "I think such actors are only born one." He was trendsetter. His film was copied in other countries, but no one was able to perform like him. Bahar Begum reacted by saying, "I remember Sultan always saying that this industry will miss him when he gone, but at that time, I don't know we fully Sultan Rahi is Hollywood." So dear friends, how you like my video? Tell me in comment box. God bless you. So friend, bye. We will meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz.